Imagine running a business, the cogs turning, the machines humming, everything in perfect harmony until it isn't. Suddenly, your in-house CNC programming isn't up to par for some of the more advanced projects that you may want to take on. Or worse yet, your one and only CNC programmer just announced he is leaving for another company. Deadlines get pushed back, quality dips, and costs skyrocket. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? Doing your own CNC programming can certainly have its benefits, like immediate access to revisions and program edits or the comfort of having control over every detail. However, the drawbacks often outweigh these advantages. Think of the high costs of training and maintaining the latest and greatest advanced software as well as a team of skilled programmers. Not to mention the time and resources spent on constant software updates and the risk of falling behind on the latest CNC techniques. On the other hand, outsourcing CNC programming to InterTECH integrated systems offers a stark contrast. The cost effectiveness is evident right from the get-go. Instead of bearing the brunt of expensive software and training costs, you pay for the service as you need it. Efficiency is another strong suit of outsourcing. InterTECH is equipped with the latest technology and software. Lynn at InterTECH is someone who lives and breathes CNC programming. Quality? It's not even a competition. InterTECH has resources and vast experience in various industries. They're not just good at what they do, they're the best. InterTECH brings talents to your facility such as expertise in process engineering, CAD/CAM systems, fixture design, work holding, tooling, tool speeds and feeds, post-processors, plus much more. InterTECH Integrated Systems is one of the only companies in the US willing to come and implement this process in your facility. So, what's the bottom line? Outsourcing CNC programming to Lynn at InterTECH Integrated Systems saves money, improves efficiency, and guarantees quality. It's a solution that can help businesses focus on what they do best, leaving the complexities of CNC programming to the experts. Remember, it's not about relinquishing control, it's about smart delegation. It's about knowing where your strengths lie and capitalizing on them, while letting the experts handle their field of specialty. In the ever-competitive world of manufacturing, it's crucial to stay a step ahead. Outsourcing CNC programming could be that step. It's not just a choice, it's a strategic decision for growth. So take a moment to consider, how much could your business benefit from outsourcing CNC programming? Please visit intertechis.com or email Lynn at intertechis.com.